Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I just want to display some Spring abilities in Java Spring. So now in this, I'm not going to show you I'm going to post the code. I'm going to post my GitHub page so you can all go and fork the code and do whatever you want with it. But I'm just going to explain what the code is doing. For example, this is an employee API. So I just want to demonstrate five things. I want to show you how my API is working, how it's creating employees, how it is getting employees, and how it is also deleting employees. So this is just my this is just basic. This is everything. This is everything. So I'm using Postman to test my API to see if it's working. So the first thing I will do is okay. So for my Postman, I want to first of all create employees. So I want to first of all create employees. So let me create employees. I'm not create about I'm gonna create about 4 employees. So for the first one, I'm gonna just call it Prince Williams. Prince Williams. I'm gonna give him an email ID, just a description of 2001. Right? I'll send this. Then I will give another one. Prince Charles. Let's just call him Charles. Charles, I'll give him an ID of 2002. Right? You see it's working. The third one, I'll call her Queen. Queen Elizabeth. I just want to use names that we all know about. Queen Elizabeth. Let's just add one more. Queen, let's just call this Diana. Diana, great. So now what I've done is I have created 4 entities in my database, right? So now the next thing I want to do is I want to show you all the entities in my database. That is all the entities we just created. I want to show you every single thing. So we're going to use a get. I'm going to use get here. I'm going to paste this and I'll send it. So you can see Prince. For now, let's just ignore the null value. Prince, Charles, Queen, Diana. So this is all. This is to get all of them. So now I want to get them specifically by ID. For example, I want the situation where I get them by 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just I want to get them by ID. I just come here, get employees. I copy, then I paste. I want to get the first person. I want her name. I want the first person's name to come here. To come here. To come in this place. You see? ID 1, Prince. If we change this to 2, Charles. We change this to 3, Queen. We change this to 4, Diana. Well, let's use a number that is not there. You're gonna get an error. You're gonna get a null value. So now I've been able to get all my employees. So let's say, for example, right, if you look here, if we try to get for all, let's say we try to list all the employees again, all of them. We want to list all the employees again. And in the process of listing all the employees, we discover that they all have this 2002, this is 2002, this is 2002. Want to change it to 2002, 2003, 2004. So want to update their email ID. That's when we now use the update function here, which is what I did. Update. So I come here for update, it is put. So we're updating 3 and 4. So /3. So we want to update it 2003. You discover that Diana is now 2003. So for the fourth person, we want to make it 2004. For the first person, 2004, it becomes 2004. So now we can decide to get all of them now, all their lists, all the list of all the employees now, to see that the email ID has been updated. So just press this / we send it. So you see we have 2004, 2002. Okay, I think that was a mistake. I didn't change this. I didn't change the one for Queen, but we can change it. We just use a put. We just use a put. Then we'll copy this. We copy this. Then we'll paste it. I think she was number 3. Number 3. Number 3. So let's just check the final one, which is the delete function. So we can delete based on ID of each of these names here. So you go to Postman, you click delete, you paste this here. So for example, I want to delete Diana. So I press 4 /4. We're going to get a success, delete success. Diana was number 4 before. We can now decide to list all of the employees again. We'll see that Diana is no longer there. So I want to list all the employees. You see that Diana is no longer there. So what we have now is ID 1, ID 2, ID 3. We have Prince, Charles, and Queen. So let's try delete again. We'll try delete again. This time around, we want to delete number 1. Number 1. So delete number 1. Number 1 is Prince. So the Prince will no longer be there. Delete successful. So now we can decide to go get all employees. Can decide to go get all the employees. I'm not sure of the name, the spelling. Yeah, so this is it. So we paste this. Yeah, so you discover that number 1 is no longer there. All we have here is number 2 and number 3. I don't know, this video is very simple. I'm just trying to demonstrate a crude application, a very simple crude application. So please, if you don't like the video, don't unlike it. If you like it, but just like it, just to encourage me, so I can maybe create some time and I'll code it from scratch for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you.